Have you ever been to Las Vegas or Atlantic City or the Bahamas or any place with a casino? You know that if you sit down at that table long enough, they're going to take your money, right? So it's all about probabilities. So we're going to just explore probabilities and how you can use them to your advantage to make money in the market. Here we go. All right, so let's talk about probabilities because they're pretty important, especially when you're in the market, because most people don't have a clue when it comes to probabilities of the market. They just hear somebody tell you, hey, here's a good stock and you should buy it. But then what happens after you click the mouse and you invest $100,000? What do you do then? And that's what probabilities are all about. Because when you click that mouse for the first time, you got a 50% chance of it going up and a 50% chance of it going down right at that moment, right? So does the other person on the other side of the trade. Remember, there's a buyer for every seller and vice versa. So how do you get the probabilities up from 50 to a little bit higher so that you can get the probabilities in your favor? So it's better than a 50% chance. Now, you're never going to get it to 100%, but at least it's better to get it off of 50. Basically, it's all about how probabilities happen for you, okay? And so if we're looking at the way that probabilities work, we're talking about the right stock in the right market at the right spot on the chart, and we squeeze the juice. That's the cornerstones of our program here. And we like to do a program around covered calls, but we need these four pillars, these four cornerstones to be in place for it to work really well. So how do you stack the odds in your favor? Well, if you go to Las Vegas, you probably know this card if you're a blackjack player. They even hand these out for free because they know they still have the advantage even when you have this card. But this gets you your best odds at the table. So it tells you what the dealer's up card is. It tells you what your cards are, when to hit, when to stay, when to double down, all those things. It gives you the rules. And if you stick to those rules, you have a really good chance of winning. Not the best chance of winning. The house is always going to win, but you have your best chance of winning if you kind of follow those rules. So that would make sense, is to try to follow the rules and stack the odds in your favor. How do we do that? Crap in the stock market, no pun intended, right? So how do we do it? Well, you got a 50% chance of being right when you click a mouse. How do you get the right stock to help you with probabilities? Well, if you have a good stock rather than like a crappy stock that, like GameStop or something that went down, 30% in one day today and one day this week, then you can get some odds in your favor. So the goal is to pick an institutional grade, what I call a super stock, with certain qualities of earnings and sales and growth and return on equity and those other kinds of things. So you got to start with the right stock, a stock that you're going to understand and maybe be in love with. You're going to have to get some odds in the favor of the market. Now, the stock market gives you a 70% chance of a probability on your side. So if you buy the right stock in the right market, you've got let's just put it this way. 70% of a stock's movement comes from the direction of the market. So when the market's moving up, chances are your stock is probably moving up as well, unless there's something basically wrong with it, at least short term. And then when you get the right spot on the chart, that's when all the market makers are like, oh my God, we don't want to miss out. All the retail investors are like, we don't want to miss out. And they drive that stock higher. Now, in the cash flow machine, we're not necessarily caring so much if it drives the stock higher, but we would like the trend to be higher rather than lower. It's really tough to make money, even in a covered call system, when the stock is going down. There are ways to protect that and prevent it, but it's a lot easier when the stock stays the same or goes up a little bit. And so you can get 5 to 7% of edge by choosing the right stock. It's about 5 to 7 for all of them, but for some, the right market, there's actually statistics out there that you get a 7 to 8% right market edge, 4 to 6% with the right stock. And then we add percentage to our favor because we always collect the juice. That's when we sell calls against our position. We always get that income. That's what we're after. We're after the income, the time premium. And so the goal is to get probabilities up from 50 up to maybe 72, 75, even 79%. Still not 100%, but it does make it a little bit nicer. So let's do one of these here. Okay, so the market is currently green. And in our green system right now, it's about a 70 to 100% allocation that you should have. So when the market's in your favor, that's when you kind of want to put your chips a little bit more into the table, because that's got the probabilities on your side. Remember, the right market. And so let's take a look at this stock. It's Abercrombie and Fitch. And I think they're a retailer, and they got some big brands in the US, and they're pretty good. Let's start over here on the fundamentals. And I'm not going to spend too much time on either the fundamentals or the technicals. I'm just giving you one that popped across my screen today, and I thought maybe you want to see it.
Hey, it's Mark Yegi here to tell you about our cash flow machine trading program that's designed to teach you how to make safe, reliable income. Now, we shoot for 2 to 4% a month of income and growth in your portfolio. And we have courses to teach you how to do this yourself or inside a mastermind community. And the best part of that is it only takes about 20 minutes a week to implement. Now, while 2 to 4% a month doesn't sound like much, I show you exactly how we took my IRA from $111,000 to over $500,000 in just 19 months without huge risk. I'm not telling you this to brag, just to show you that you can do this too. So to learn more about this program, go to cashflowmachine.io. That's cashflowmachine.io, and you can learn more.
So you can take a look at this and look at the growth on this. A lot of blue numbers. There is some red, right? So for sure. And the red is cause for concern. But now we've got some major turnaround. Look at it going from 25 cents in 2023 to in 2024, 628. It's over 1,000% increase, right? And then so it's going to 782 next year, and maybe 817 after that. That's a pretty darn good growth. Let's take a look at it down here. Triple digit quarter over quarter on growth. This stock is coming back, right? And you can see it on the chart. We'll look at the chart in a minute. Look at their sales. Their sales is back to increasing. Well, we've got inflation, so they're increasing their prices, and that allows them to get away with it. And if they can keep their costs low, then they increase their margins, and that helps them. So let's look over here on the right side of the chart. And so let me annotate just a little bit. You can see I drew this one line right in here. Okay, that's about a $120 move. Okay, then I also drew these lines right here for these red lines, which are now blue. That's the consolidation the stock is making. So it's been consolidating for about 3 months, and now it's breaking out at around 144, 145, somewhere in there. And so what I always recommend that you do is you set a target price. So I'm looking at this, and I think the first target price is about 176, based on some math and some past experience. I'm coming up with about 176. That's a $32 increase from this point. That's pretty good. The second target price, which is where I think it's going, and that's based on this long number, and that's our price volume analysis, what I call my lightning bolt pattern. That's a 240 price. Now, I don't care if it gets to 240. I really don't. I want it to go there. I want it to go to the first target, but I'm happy to collect income while I wait for it to go up. I also want to set a stop price so that if the stock starts to go down, maybe I can get out of it and take a small loss rather than writing it down for a big loss. So I set my stop price at 136.50. That's how I set up my trade. Okay. And so let's take a look, and let me erase all these. Okay. And now let's take a look and say, okay, well, great. We want it to go up. It looks like it's going up. The odds are now it's going up. Green market, right stock, right spot on the chart. Now we're going to squeeze the juice. So let me show you what that looks like. So to do that, we pull up what's called an option chain. I go out a month, just because sometimes I like to go out a month and not have to worry about it as much. You can do weeklies. You can also go out of the money, in the money, at the money. We're going to go right around the money, right at the money-ish. So the stock is 144.76, and the options right now are trading for about $13. We sell the option, so we're going to get the bid price, that $13. That's the juice. That's the income we're going for while we wait, and maybe the stock goes up. We want the stock to go up, like I keep saying, but really the whole point of this trade, if we're not gonna just ride it for the breakout that it is, which you could do, is to pick up this $13. If you look at the math, the computer says that it's a 9% gain as long as the stock stays around where it is right now, which is 145. Okay. If it continues to go up, that's the maximum amount that you could make, which is $13.24. That's right there. And that percentage is 9%, right? And if you could do that 12 times this year, because this is a 31-day trade, you can see this is 31 days. If you could do this 12 times this year, approximately, assuming that you don't lose money on any of the trades, well, we got to compare apples to apples. It's an annualized gain of 100%. You double your money while you wait for Abercrombie and Fitch to go up to those 2 target prices that I gave you. So I hope that makes sense.
Hey, it's Mark Yegi, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that right now. That would be a great favor to me, and plus it helps me get this material out to a lot of other people that might need it. I've got a little bit of a movement going on here, and I want to try to change the world one person at a time, showing them that you can make safe, reliable income
from the stock market. And plus it helps to grow the channel a little bit. Also, if you would give me a thumbs up on the video and like it, great. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down, that's cool. But just tell me why you don't like it so I can get better. And then hit the notification bell so you can get these videos as soon as they come out, because a lot of times this is timely information and you want to get that information before it gets stale. The last thing is to join my free Insider Tips newsletter. There's a link below and you get everything in one spot. You get breaking news and analysis also. So that would be great if you could do that too. See you soon.